Hey, got another nested radical equation. Now we do have a constant on the right-hand side here, which makes things slightly easier, I think. And it's not as bad as it looks when you notice that we have the difference of two squares, and when you square both sides, the square root of 1957s will cancel. So it's not quite as bad as it looks at first glance. And so if you do square both sides of the equation, owing to this well-known identity, a plus b quantity squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. That's exactly the form you see right here. This would be a squared when you remove the radical. This would be b squared. And of course, this part right here, this piece right here would be 2ab. There's the 2, there's the a, and there's the b. So it's kind of useful. And notice we did square the right-hand side also to get 206. Now, again, the nice thing happens right here. The square root of 1957 cancels out nicely, and you get 2x, just 2x on one side. And the rest of this line out here is just about isolating the radical. Notice that when you isolate the radical, you do get minus the radical on the right-hand side, but there's nothing to worry about there because you're going to have to square both sides again anyway to get it reduced. And this is the result of that squaring. Now, again, x plus root 1957 and x minus root 1957, that's the difference of two squares, a plus b times a minus b. So this is the form a squared minus b squared. And you can see right at this line already, the x squareds will cancel. And the rest of this is just about collecting like terms, getting everything on one side. Now, something kind of nice happened right here. 103 is a common factor. It's not too hard to see that 103 is a common factor of 1957. 19 times 103 is 1900 plus 57 is 1957. In laws of exponents, divide 103 squared by 103, you get 103. See, it's kind of nice you never had to elevate 103 to the second power. And of course, when you divide through by 103, right here, you get 2x. Finally, you get x equals 61. Now, I didn't check it. That's a little bit of a challenge to check it, but x equals 61 is the, let's see here, the only solution. X equals 61. Now, so folks, I did want to just reiterate this part right here is would be like the 2ab part. This piece right here, I'll try to write it above it, is 2ab. Okay. I didn't leave myself enough room right there, but that part right there is definitely the 2ab portion of this algebraic identity. That's supposed to be a 2. This is ab. And here's your 2ab using the laws of radicals. Hope you enjoy.